Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see that my channel name has changed and it will be staying like that for the remainder of the days that I'll be crocheting. But without further ado, we will be making I guess a little fishbone pattern detail in the yarn. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make that today. This hook is from Etsy. What is it called? Haley's Hook and Bloom on Etsy. I am not sponsored by her in no way, shape, or form, but that's where I got this hook from. I know someone's going to ask. I will put the link down below. And I think this is a size 4mm hook. So without further ado, let's get into the new video. So we're gonna leave some tail space at the end, but we're still gonna make our slip knot as we do normally. So as you can see, we have our tail, we have our slip knot, and we still have our working yarn. So for demonstration purposes only, I've added different colors to the green that I already have right here. So hopefully it comes out looking the way I would need it to, so you guys can understand what I'm doing. Either way, you're gonna take the yarn that you left out, you're going to wrap it, you're gonna take your working yarn, you're going to yarn over, and you're gonna pull it through both loops. So now you have 2 loops, 1, 2. The loop closer to the hook, you're gonna go underneath and you're going to yarn over and pull through again. So once again, the loop closer to the hook, you're gonna go under, you're going to pull yarn over, pull the yarn bolt through 2. Go to this loop, go under this loop, and then you're gonna yarn over and pull the yarn through. So like I said, you have 2, 1, 2. You're gonna go under that one, and you're going to yarn over and go through 2. So now you have green and pink. You're gonna go through the pink one, if that's the colors you chose. Yarn over and pull through 2. So, like I said, you have 2, 1, 2. You're gonna go through the one closer to the hook. Try not to pull this so tight, and I have my nails in the way, so. So like I said, you're going to insert your hook into the one closer to the loop on your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And as you can see, it's starting to form. It's giving like it's close and not just regular loops. So let me show you the difference. This is what normal chains look like. This is what normal chains look like. This is what let's let the camera focus. There's a difference. These are more looped and these are more braided. These are looped and these are braided. But you will see as I continue to go, and then I'll show you what to do. piece. As you can see, like I said, this is more braided, this is more fish tail looking. These are the regular chains if you needed to see a difference. So yes, this is what we are trying to achieve. You can use this as a bracelet, you can put beads on it, you can use it as back strap, a purse strap. You can use it as strings for your bralettes, bathing suits, etc., etc. So stay tuned for more quick videos. Hopefully you subscribe and like this tutorial. I will be redoing this tutorial with actual variated yarn so it could look a little better, maybe a weight 5 yarn, but I just wanted to get this out to you guys with what I had. And as you can see, this is how it's looking.